How to view sales detail report in Businet. Users can view sales detail report using multiple search filters and can also view the report by selecting sales by as customer-wise, invoice-wise, product-wise, product group-wise, region-wise, etc. Once the desired search filter has been selected, then users can view the data and can also drill down the data to the source level using the information button. Users can also take PDF print or Excel print of the report. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.